However, as of yesterday, the 31st of October, 149 people have been killed so far this year and a further 66 people shot and injured. And as pointed out, the current projection shows that unless trends are reversed by the security forces in Jamaica, 2024 will see the highest level of security force fatal incidents since 2013. In 2013, it was 253. So there is a significant issue at present. 2019 saw the lowest number of fatal shootings at 86. Between 2019 and now, there's been an 80% increase in fatal shootings. Each year it has moved up from 115 in 2020, 127 in 2021, 134 killed in 2022, and 155 last year. And we're at 149 now. The report talks about the incident of multiple death incidents, that is the number of people killed in a singular incident. And in 2023, that number was 20. But so far this year, multiple death incidents have accounted for 30 people being shot and killed. There were 2 incidents where 4 people were killed in the single matter, and 2 incidents where 3 people were killed, in addition to the multiple double fatal shootings that we see. What we also noted was, again, the issue of a person being shot and killed or a person being shot and injured where they have no weapon at all, neither a firearm nor any other weapon, a stone, scissors, stick, or other implement. And that was a feature last year and has been a feature for over a decade, that nearly 1/3 of all people shot and killed or injured do not appear to have, or certainly no weapon of any type is recovered from them. This year at the moment, with 2 months still to go, the full data has not been assessed, but it would appear that a smaller number of people, a reduced number of people, have no weapon of any sort. But that is to be looked at.